Okay, so ayan guys, welcome back ulit. So in this video, pag-usapan natin itong ongoing partnership ni Get.io kay Platon. So as you can see dito guys, meron silang event na trade to earn, and then yung pinaka-reward nito guys ay $8,000. So ngayon, paano ba tayo dito makakasali at makakuha ng share na rewards na yan? So syempre guys, nandito naman yung pinaka-details niyan. So itong event nito guys ay nagsimula pa nung January 13. And then matatapos siya guys sa January 18. So sabi dito, trade lot to share $7,000 rewards. And then meron din sila guys ditong $950 na reward para sa mga bagong mag-register sa Get.io. Okay? And then meron pa guys ditong additional na lucky reward na kung saan yung one lucky user ay pwedeng makatanggap ng reward na $50. So dito guys, para may check natin yung pinaka full details ng event na ito, so i-click nyo lang itong link and then mapupunta tayo guys dito, itong Get.io x Platon or lot trade to earn. So dito, kinakailangan lang natin guys itap itong bilog na ito, and then pwede natin guys dito makita yung details ng event na ito. So ayan, makikita nyo dito $7,000 trading reward, and then meron din guys dito pinaka-note na kung saan kung paano ka magiging eligible dito. So ang sabi dito guys, user who have at least $50 lot tokens pa trading volume will share 7,000 reward. Okay, so ito siya guys, yung pinaka-link ng lot/USDT. So dyan tayo guys pwedeng mag-trade, and then yung $950 new user bonus. So sabi dito guys, new user who registered and trade at least $10 lot token and then win $10 each. Okay? At syempre guys, meron pa so $50 lucky rewards. So dito naman randomly guys ise-select yung lucky winner para nga makakuha or makatanggap ng reward na $50. So ang gagawin lang natin guys ay ayun, ititik lang natin ito. So tick join now and submit to sign up for the event. So ito guys, submit lang natin. And ayan, so submit successfully na nga. And meron pa sila guys ditong Twitter event din, na kung saan ang gagawin lang natin guys dito is mag-tweet. Okay? So nandito guys yung pinaka details niyan. So sabi dito guys, lot trade to earn on Get.io, join and share $8,000 reward. So one lucky retweet and comment winners will receive $50 in this step. Okay? So ito guys yung kinakailangan natin na gawin. So una dyan, kinakailangan natin guys i-follow si Get.io, yung Get.io startup, saka yung Platon network And then syempre guys, mag-retweet, like and comment. And syempre guys, mag-join din tayo dito sa kanilang Get.io questionnaire. Okay? So ganun lang naman. And kung gusto niyo naman guys tignan yung pinaka Twitter account ni Platon so ito lang siya guys. So ayan, ito po guys yung official X account or Twitter account ni Platon. So ano nga ba itong si Platon network guys? So si Platon guys ay isang open financial infrastructure with privacy preserving computation as its technical feature. Okay? So initiated by AtletesX SGPP. At makita rin natin guys dito yung pinaka Discord community nila. Okay? So pwede nyo guys i-check itong pinaka Discord, and syempre guys yung Twitter account nila. At eto naman guys yung pinaka official website ni Platon Network. So explore nyo na lang ito guys. Pwede rin kayo dito mag-bridge. Okay? So dito natin makita, pwede natin guys dito i-connect yung pinaka wallet natin, and pwede tayo guys dito mag-bridge or mag-swap ng pinaka-token natin. Okay? And guys, kung naghahanap pa kayo ng iba pang event katulad nito, so marami pa yan guys dito kay Get.io. So ang gawin nyo lang, punta lang kayo guys dito sa get.io/competition/center/all. Okay? So lahat guys ng ongoing event, nandito yan makikita natin. So example ito guys Lunar New Year Grand Party. So ayan, check nyo lang guys kung ano yung pinaka-requirement para makasali dyan. And ito guys na GTH New High. At syempre guys, marami pa dito sa iba So explore nyo na lang. Katulad nito guys Solvi. Okay, Solvi protocol. So stake GT USDT to claim 1 million US dollar reward. Okay. So ayan, para sa mga interesado, so yung link iwanan ko na lang siguro dyan sa description, ano. So i-click nyo na lang, then explore nyo na lang guys itong iba pang event ni Get.io. So ayan guys, siguro hanggang dito na lang itong video natin guys, ano. At kung meron kayong katanungan regarding dito, so leave a comment lang guys dyan sa ating comment section. Okay, so ayan, thanks for watching guys, good luck, see you in the next video.